Welcome back to DIY Home Decor. Today we will be exploring some of the Sherwin-Williams color palettes that can give your home a fresh, updated look. So, let's get started. The first color combo is Grizzle Gray with color code 7068 and Snowbound with color code 7004. Next, we have a 4-color palette: Ravishing Red with color code 6048, Accessible Beige with color code 6058, Majestic Purple with color code 6545, and Extra White with color code 7006. Frank Blue with color code 6967 and Extra White with color code 7006. In the Navy with color code 9178 and Sweet Orange with color code 6351. Harmony with color code 6354, Alder Velvet with color code 9111, and Special White with color code 6259. Iron Serpent with color code 7615, Racing Blue with color code 6242, and Dreamy White with color code 6021. Isle of Pines with color code 9164, and Ceiling Bright White with color code 7007. Caviar with color code 6990, and Pure White with color code 7005. Vintage Leather with color code 6062 and Rice Patty with color code 6414. Breathing Blue with color code 6242, Copper Pot with color code 7709, and Extra White with color code 7006. Hinting Blue with color code 6519 and Golden Flourish with color code 9019. Patina with color code 6123 and High Reflective White with color code 7757. Rhinestone with color code 7656 and Moss Bolt with color code 6139. Bright White with color code 6056. Anchors Away with color code 9179. Indigo Batik with color code 7602 and Lavish with color code 6827. Dignified with color code 6538, Dovetail with color code 6079, and Soft Apricot with color code 6352. Plum Brown with color code 6272 and Monorail Silver with color code 7663. Lux Blue with color code 6537 and Law Linen with color code 9137. Next is a 3-color combination palette: Dignified with color code 6538, Future Green with color code 6208, and Wildflower with color code 6281. Tempe Star with color code 6229, and Lux Blue with color code 6537. Rock Candy with color code 6231, and Lux Blue with color code 6537. Smart White with color code 6007 and Bold Red with color code 6320. Cyberspace with color code 7076 and Extra White with color code 7006. Midnight with color code 6264 and Nearly Peach with color code 6336. Black Bean with color code 6006, Java with color code 6090, and Extra White with color code 7006. Aloof Gray with color code 6197 and a New Bronze with color code 7048. Sockeye with color code 6619, Coastal Plain with color code 6192, and High Reflective White with color code 7757. If you're liking these color combinations, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Next, the color combination is Honest Blue with color code 6520 and Ivory White with color code 7014. Bangalore Beige with color code 7511. Cafe with color code 6104, and Husky Orange with color code 6636. Snowbound with color code 7004, Starry Night with color code 6540, and High Reflective White with color code 7757. Argos with color code 7065 and Invigorate with color code 6886.